One day, me, my mom, and my sister, we were walking out the store to go home. While we were walking, I saw this really long dark blue line in the sky. It was like very long. It was like very long. It was dark blue. It's like look at the blue line. It's so cool. So we continued walking to our car. So while we continued, the dark, the long dark blue line opened like very wide. Like it opened it like covered the whole sky. I was like, oh my goodness, look at that! It's so cool. So there were three trumpet sounds. The first one I didn't really hear. I only heard the end of it, and I was like, what is that? The second one, I heard like everything, and I was like, oh my goodness, Jesus is here. I want to go. I don't want to stay. I really want to go. So I screamed Jesus so I could go. And then something came and took me, and I went to the sky.